By working with Mark, Jackie and I, you also get access to our power team. A power team the three of us have carefully grown over the past 20 years. That includes HMO officers, architects, planners, designers, solicitors, financial experts, the people you need as part of your power team when investing in property.
Power team is the most important aspect of succeeding in property. They're the kind of people that understand how you work and they will help make you money. Join us on our next course.
Take advantage and use and leverage our power teams.